Alright, so here's the neighbor's 1998 yard running. Right now. It's all cold, sweaty. It's actually a 2.5 ton. It's not a 1.5 ton. I figured out. It's from 1998. It is from 1998 though. It has R22. I mean, there is a chance it could be from 1993, but I think the neighbors have told me it's from 1998, and it's 2.5 ton. Yep. Bryant, look. This looks just so nice, and here is the Trane. Hopefully they're not leaves here. There it is from the side. As you probably already know, it's from 2015 and it's 2.5 ton, as you can see right there on the data. Or I can see. You probably can't see. It has a Gen-Tech motor. And it's probably all cool and sweaty. And it also has an Alliance scroll compressor. As you may be able to tell, it probably has an Alliance scroll compressor. Or it probably has a 2 pumps in. Yeah. Or it probably has like a Bristol. Yeah. There it is from the front. There it is from the top. There it is from the top. So, yeah. Trane, Bryant, and Trane, Bryant, air conditioner is running. So, yeah. Trane, Bryant, New York air conditioner is running on a 10 a.m. morning. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.